guys, welcome back to another video. So we went out last night and kind of got something here. This is the exact same quad I have. I did not put anything on except I just sat the plastic on and bolted those on right there and that side. It's all dirty. Got this nice aftermarket exhaust. Got to grind it up. So basically everything we did on that quad over there was a complete waste of time. No, I'm just kidding. Like my dad said, it's just practice. But we're gonna strip this whole thing down, and then we're gonna start grinding it. I'm gonna take all the pieces off and grind. So we'll start doing that. Show you guys me taking it apart, and then we'll start grinding. So let's get straight into it. Ooh. I'm gonna finish taking everything apart on this, like just taking things off, and then I will pick you guys back up, and then we'll start grinding. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so that took the rest of the night to get all of the parts off it, and then last night I had to go somewhere, so it is now the third day. We're going to start grinding. I'll show you guys what we have. We'll get the grinder out and then we'll start grinding. So this is what we've got. A nasty old frame again. Back to square one. So yeah, we're just gonna have to grind it all once again. So we're going to grab the grinder and start grinding. Alrighty guys, so it's been a couple days since my last clip. It has snowed a lot, but we got it all grinded down, all of it. It may not look like it, but we didn't have to like go down to like perfectly all bare metal. We just had to grind it up, scuff all the paint up, so all the other paint would stick to it. There was a couple bolts in here. We had to torch one out because it was stuck in there. But other than that, that's basically the only actual like problem we had. So this piece right here is missing, but it's on my other frame up there. So we're gonna have to cut that off, prep this, and get it welded on here. But that will be a little later. But yeah, this is the frame so far, and we're gonna have to paint it later because my dad has to go somewhere. But we're gonna paint it later, but right now we're gonna clean everything up around the garage because I made a mess. Like this, all the stuff is just from grinding. Like it's heavy, like like just stuff on the ground. But yeah, this is my frame. I'm gonna clean up the floor and stuff, and we'll catch you guys when it's time to paint. Woo! Hey guys, so it's been about a day now since I last showed you guys the progress, and I didn't show you guys the first paint, the start of it, but here's what we got so far. We got all of this. Here's I'm sorry if it's too loud, we got the fan going just so all the fumes of the thing can't leave. This is the frame. Both sides of it are done, it's just drying. We got heel thingies, pedals, back swing arm. Yeah, I can't talk, but that's what we got so far. So that's what we got, and we're gonna have to wait until it's all done painted to start putting things together. So it's gonna be about a couple hours just till all of this dries and stuff, just to start putting like little things on, like A-arms or stuff. Oh yeah, we still have to paint those, but still have to put little things like that on and stuff. So we're just gonna have to wait till all this is dry, and we still have a little bit more stuff to paint, which is in these drawers here. I put a bunch of my stuff in here. There's all this stuff. And then there's all this stuff. Like, all the drawers are like full. So, but yeah, those are all my stuff in there. But oh yeah, I don't know if I did show you this, but this is my exhaust. We painted it the matte black, but that's what we got so far. So I'll pick you guys back up when we got more painted or we're ready to put things on. So don't know when we'll pick you guys up, but when we do, see you then. So this is what we got here. A bunch of the parts laid out, waiting for the rest of them. My frame is all done, and it's over here. Sorry for the loud noise. That's a fan getting the fumes of the paint out. This is a frame. I think I already showed you that. Here's some more parts, and a couple more. But yeah, that is what we have so far. We're gonna keep putting them over there on the table, and yeah, wait till everything's done. I don't know how long that'll take, but it'll be a little bit. So we'll pick you guys back up when we are ready to do the next thing. So catch you then. Okay guys, so at the moment all the parts we have are done. I showed you a picture of it already, but now we are I already took off the seat cover. It's definitely ripped. We're gonna have to get the other seat cover, the new one I got, and put it on here. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll have to staple it on. We'll pick you guys back up when it is all on. Okay guys, so this is the seat cover. I put it on. It looks good. There is a little bit of a push down in here, but we couldn't get it any tighter, so that's as best as we can do right now. So next, it's been a couple days, so next we have to start putting together the fun part. Start and put things together here. So let's start getting that. We're gonna probably start with this piece, which is the bottom engine piece that goes right here. Then we'll go from there. I don't know what we'll do after that, but we'll go from there, and I'll get things set up, and we'll start getting ready to put it on. Okay, so what we have to do right now is put this on. All we have to do is take this off, this off, this off, and this off, and then put it on. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, there we go. All on. This is from this side. And here we go. Now, I don't know what we have to do, what we get to put on, but I do know one of the things we do have to do is put all of the bolts for everything in cardboard and paint them. We'll grind them down, and paint the heads on all of them, the color that they are going to be of those parts, which one they go to. That's what we have to do. I know we have to do that step, but I don't know when we'll have to or what we can put on first. So I'll see what we can put on first, and if we can't put anything on, that's probably what we'll do. So that's what we're going to do. I'll tell you guys what we have to do. I said a lot of that's what we have to do in the last 5 seconds. Okay guys, so we were able to stick the shaft in, but we have to paint the bolts, which are over there, that I have to paint yet, but we have a problem. If you can see it, right on the bottom of here, we're missing a nut thing that will keep it from pulling out of here. So my dad has this Warrior and Banshee book here. It has a bunch of parts and everything for them in it, but we don't have it. We're just going to look, see if we do have one, but we don't have it right at the moment. So I have to go paint the bolts, and I'll show you after I paint them. So let's get painting. Okay, they're all painted. Now we just have to wait, pick you guys up when it's all dry. Okay guys, I'm giving you a little update. I got this piece on, and we were not missing it, but we put this washer on here just because we thought this piece, the shaft, would pull out if we did not. So we put that washer on there, and the book right here does not show it. I'll show you guys, because this, I just put a picture up so you guys can look at it, but it doesn't show it. But now we're gonna start putting A-arms on. This is my bucket of bolts for the A-arms. Those are just A-arm bolts, but put the A-arms on. I have to do a couple things. Spindles on, which those ones over there. The spindles on, and grease fittings back in, and I'll show you guys that process right after I finish these bolts, which will take a little while. So okay guys, so I'm not going to be able to show you guys what's next. You'll just have to wait for the next video, but we've got more done, a lot more done. So like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Woo!